Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be presenting a case study on an overheating desktop computer issue, highlighting the cause, troubleshooting steps, and solutions that were implemented to resolve the problem. Let's go. As the problem statement, we can see the user Janvi faced frequent shutdowns, especially during gaming, with no error messages or restarts. She also noticed that the fan ran constantly at high speeds, indicating possible overheating. As for the next slide, we are showing that the troubleshooting steps. We begin by checking the basics, battery health, disabling unnecessary startup programs, updating drivers, and cleaning dust from the vents. We also applied new thermal paste to the CPU to help with heat transfer and monitored the CPU and GPU temperatures. Finally, we checked the hard drive to rule out other hardware issues. After these steps, we monitored the CPU and GPU temperatures using hardware monitoring software. It became clear that the shutdowns were indeed caused by overheating. The high temperatures during heavy overload works confirmed that the system was struggling to stay cool. As for the analysis of the causes, we identified three key causes of the overheating. First of all, dust accumulation was preventing proper airflow through the system's heat sinks and fans. Second, dried thermal paste between the CPU and cooler has lost its effectiveness, which led to poor heat transfer. Lastly, the stock CPU cooler was inadequate for handling the heat generator by the processor during high load tasks like gaming. As for the solution, we resolved the overheating. We took the following steps, which is we upgraded the CPU cooler to the large heat sink and fan, ensuring it could handle the heat generated during high performance activities. Second, we replaced the old thermal paste with a fresh, even layer to improve heat transfer between the CPU and cooler. Finally, we conducted a true cleaning of the system, removing all dust from the case, fans, and internal components to ensure unblocked airflows. As for the last step, which is testing and verification, after implementing these solutions, we test Janvi's computer under stress by running resource-intensive programs such as games and re-rendering softwares. During this testing, the CPU and GPU temperatures remained well below critical level and the system operated smoothly without any unexpected shutdown. Finally, as the lesson learned, these cases highlight the importance of regular maintenance like dust cleaning and thermal paste replacement. Stock coolers aren't always enough for demanding tasks, so an upgraded cooler can improve stability. And as for conclusion, this overheating issue was solved by better cooling and proper cleaning, resolving the system's performance. Thank you for listening.